It's all natural and it works really well.
That it's environmentally friendly.
I don't feel itchy.
It does last quite a long time.
It's one of the best things I've ever used. So I'm sold for life. Love it. It's a great product.
Both my sons unfortunately suffered from eczema when they were really little, and the dryer balls were the first thing I switched out, and then second was the type of laundry detergent that I was using, and I found that Nellie's was one of the best ones that I'd ever used because it didn't have a scent.
I find laundry soaps that have a really strong odor or smell. Perfumey is just, it's a turnoff, and I love how Nellie's does not have, it smells clean, but it's not overly perfumed.
It's clean, and when I use it, I feel that it's safe for my family.
My son has really sensitive skin and eczema, and it turned out to be the only laundry detergent that doesn't cause him to have itchy skin.
There's very little waste, actually probably no waste, and also a very clean product.
It matters to me that it's environmentally friendly and also the value because I'm getting so much out of every can that I buy.
They use natural ingredients, so I've been using this product for almost 10 years.
I love Nellie's products because they're all natural and because it's a local company here in North Vancouver, which I look for in my products, and that it's family owned. That's really important to me.
And Nellie's is a very clean, sustainable, earth-friendly, human-friendly product.
Also, the packaging's really cute.
Definitely would recommend Nellie's to anyone.
Yes, absolutely, yes.
Yes, we would certainly recommend.
Yes, I would recommend.
Definitely.
Yes, I would recommend it to other people. And actually, I just recommended it to my friends last night.